The E-MB1, the Economy motherboard by TCS, is a motherboard that was designed to be flexible for many different installs at a great price. It is designed to fit in many locomotives from manufacturers such as Intermountain, Bachmann, Bowser, Lifelike, and Broadway Limited. With this motherboard, you are able to use up to 12 lighting functions with the use of a 21 MTC decoder. Now you can take your installs even further with the E-MB1 lighting function tester. This optional add-on lets you instantly verify any lighting functions using simple plug-and-play testing. Just connect the tester to your installed E-MB1 and cycle through your throttle functions to confirm each LED responds correctly. To test, try the different function buttons on your throttle to see the 12 colored LEDs light up. This is a perfect way for testing, as you'll be able to test any of your lighting functions for your decoder on any install. Get yourself a lighting function tester separately, or get an E-MB1 with a lighting function tester bundle today at tcsdcc.com and make your next install the best one yet.